All right, Todd again with Jeep Speed Shop, talking more about the ZF 8-speed. So the cooler lines. This is a kind of a big deal, or it is a big deal, the way we have to do them now. And so they don't come tapped. So we have to tap them out using a 3/4 by 16 tap. All right. And when you tap them, it's best to put this plug all the way inside, like so you don't get any metal inside the transmission, and then tap the two holes here for the cooler, and you pull this fitting out of the old cooler, tap this out, and then take the O-ring off, put some sealant on the threads, and then put these in for the new Grand Cherokee cooler lines. So this is just a quick summary of what you got to do to install the cooler lines into a ZF into a JK. So don't forget, 3/4 by 16 tap, plug the hole inside, of course, so you don't get debris or metal in there, and then you're good to go. All right, Jeep Speed Shop out.